Bedtime for Brother Bear.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Does that mean you're not going to take a nap? You're not going to take a nap, Brother Bear?
Go to sleep.
It's bedtime. Night night.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little brother.
Good night night.
Night night.
Look at sister's face. You telling her to go to sleep. You go to sleep, sister.
Yummy, go sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep,